guys, welcome back to our channel and our summer night routine 2020. So usually our night routine starts between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. but today it got really late because of the fact that we were filming, and now you can see we are reviewing the footage. So after that we were literally starving, so our dad ordered some KFC for us, and this is the dessert that we are literally eating every single day because it is so yummy and so easy to make. So now it's time to remove our makeup. We don't usually wear makeup a lot, like on a daily basis, but when we are filming we do wear it. So yes, now we are removing the makeup, and just ignore the fact that our hairs look so frizzy. That is because like whenever we take a bath or shower, anything, they just get so frizzy. We don't use a micellar water to remove our lipsticks because we use matte lipstick and our lips get so dry, so we use a Vaseline and apply it on the lips and then get a tissue paper and wipe it all off. So yes, it just like is so easy and it does not dry your lips. It's time for us to apply the scrub that we forgot that we ever had. We are not filming in our bathroom because of the fact that the lighting was so bad there. So our bathroom is like next to this place, so we were like, why not film here? So now it's time for us to chill and watch some Netflix or some movies or seasons, whatever we want to watch. So we have a projector in our parents' room and we watch movies and seasons every single day there. After we have watched the film, we are going to be editing the video because that's what we usually do, and because the last video was edited by me, so now it's her turn to edit the video, and I'm gonna enjoy and make some thumbnails, of course. So yes, we usually edit on our phones, so that is what we are going to be doing right now too. Yes. So we insert the footage from our camera into our phone, and that is a pretty risky thing that we do. Yes. We don't edit the video fully because at night we are really low in energy because we are like filming for whole day. So yes, we need some rest too, and we don't want our like headaches to be annoying us. So yes, we don't want us to be like super stressed and like tensed, so that is why we don't edit our videos fully, and we make some like a basic kind of a thumbnail, like basics of thumbnail, or maybe like full thumbnail or whatever, because thumbnails are easy to make. So yes. And other than that, we really sleep and watch some YouTube videos because we cannot sleep without watching YouTube video, at least a single video. we are as addicted as a kid listening to a night story, so this is like our night story kind of thing. So yes, we just watch YouTube. Comment down below if you watch YouTube while like before sleeping, of course. So comment down below. Our eyes are literally like this and we are watching YouTube videos, yes, in our bed. So we are gonna sleep right now and you guys will see, but we'll watch videos too. Tonight it's time for us to sleep after watching some YouTube videos, and that was it for our night routine. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video, and yes, just watch our other videos too. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys.